Ooh. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview.
Hey Ryan.
Hi.
Hi. What game is that?
Bomb.
Oh, bomb game. That sounds serious.
Yeah.
Just kidding. It's, what is it called? Chrono Bomb?
Chrono Bomb.
So it's like a secret agent bomb game. So I guess you try to defuse the bomb before it runs out. And hopefully it doesn't explode, right?
It won't. I just think it's gonna make an exploding sound.
Oh yeah? I guess we'll find out.
Not the real explosion.
Yeah, it's just a fake, fun bomb game.
Oh, and it's already built in.
Yeah, cool. So that's the bomb, and here's a whole bunch of, what is that?
It's like, I think, a sensor, laser sensor.
Okay, so I guess this is what the back looked like. You attach the string however you want. You start the bomb, right? You maneuver through your setup without touching all the laser, and you try to defuse the bomb. What? Ooh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, it's counting down. It's counting down. Oh. Ah! Ryan, what are you doing? The game hasn't even started yet. It's like faster and faster. Oh, that was close.
Will it have explode?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Oh, this isn't sensor string.
Oh yeah. Oh, don't get sensor string in your eyes. Oh, that's long. All right, so let's set this all up and play the game. Oh, you can retract it too? Oh. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, we did put the string, the laser sensor string around. Yeah, and at the end, oh, let's see here. So the string's there. Oh, the string is too high, so you have to go under. Right? And here's a string, so maybe you want to go under.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Touched it.
I touched it.
Okay,
Okay, so then here's two more string, and the bomb is way over there. What? I'm coming, I'm coming. Oh no, I don't know what to do here. Let's go up on the bed, on the sofa, and then step over. Whoa! Oh.
When you do that, well, this is gonna go less more time, and it's gonna be like.
That's right. So we put the bomb way over here. Okay.
Turn it on. Action cards.
Yeah. So the game comes with these little cards that you have to collect along the way. Okay. So we have to spread them out. There we go. So you gotta get all these cards on the way to defusing the bomb. Where else are we putting it? Okay, so Ryan has 3 minutes to try to defuse the bomb and pick up all the little action cards on the way. Are you ready, Ryan? Okay, Daddy, start the timer.
Ready, good, go.
Go, go, go. And every time you touch it, it deducts some time. So every time you touch the string, it deducts 20 seconds.
Oh, you forgot the card?
Ryan, you forgot a card over there. Don't touch the string, be careful. Uh-oh, you touch a string. That's the sound. Pick up some cards on the way. Is that it? Is that all the cards? Oh, you missed one. You missed one. Oh, nice. Okay, there's another card right there. Defuse the, oh, you touched the string. Don't forget to defuse the bomb.
You want more?
I think that's it. Press the red button and you're done. Okay, Ryan has 1 minute and 25 seconds left on the clock.
Good job.
Can you beat that? Can you beat that?
1 minute? Okay.
1 minute and 25 seconds. Ryan accidentally missed a card over there, in case you guys are wondering. But it's okay, it was his first time, so we'll give him some slack, right? Okay, so Daddy is also set to 3 minutes, and Ryan lays some cards around for him, okay? You ready, Daddy?
Ready.
Ready, Ryan, start the timer, go! Go! Go, Daddy.
Oh, right, put so many cards all in one spot. Ow!
Why, you touched something?
No, I just want to hit my butt.
Hurry, hurry!
Oh.
Go down.
Oh. Oh no, this is too tiny for me.
Good luck. Look at Daddy.
What? Already?
No, just 2 more minutes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so Daddy's had plenty of time.
Is that all the cards?
Yeah, I think it's all the cards. Oh, Daddy won, Ryan. Daddy has 1 minute and 47 seconds left. Okay, so Ryan's gonna try again because he thinks he can do better, right? Okay. All right, so cards are laid around. Hopefully he doesn't miss the cards this time. Are you ready? Get set, Daddy, go!
Wait, I touched the laser. It didn't even make a sound.
You touch the laser, the timer goes down.
Yeah, Ryan, you're missing some on the way.
Oh, yeah, you missed
You missed this one right here.
Oh,
What else?
oh,
Right there. I think that's it. Go, Ryan, go. I think that's it. Go, press the button. There's one more. There's one more, Ryan, you missed it. You missed that one right there.
You heard that. Just because you were worried about it.
Alright, so Ryan set it up for Daddy one more time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Get set, go!
What? I didn't touch it.
Yeah. Apparently you did.
Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Daddy, you missed the card.
Wait.
Don't tell him until later.
Oh. What?
You touched
I didn't touch it.
Yeah, you did.
Look, there's one on the chair. Daddy, look at you.
Oh.
Hurry.
Oh.
What?
No, Daddy, you're not done. You missed one of the cards.
Where? What is it? How can I find it if you hide it like that? No way. Put it under the pillow.
Ryan put him under the pillow. Daddy, you should have checked. You should have checked.
That was our defuse bomb game. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. If you want more of my agent videos by Ryan, please subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Please click on one of these videos for Ryan Toy Review more fun.